Jerablus is a Syrian city administratively belonging to Aleppo Governorate. Jerablus, also known as Jerablus, lies on the western bank of the river Euphrates. According to the Syria Central Bureau of Statistics, it had a population of 26,729 in the 2004 census. Ethnically, the city is composed of Arabs and Turkmens. It is located north of Lake Assad, just south of the Syrian-Turkish border and the Turkish town of Karkamis. History. In the Bronze and Iron Ages, the archaeological site lying just north of Jerablus was called Karkemish. In Greek and Roman times, the ancient name of the city was Euphrates, which must have been at the origin of the modern form of the toponym Jerablus. The original 18th century form of the toponym seems to have been Jerablus, later found however as Jerablus or Jerablus, probably deriving from Hierapolis, being on the southern side of the Istanbul-Baghdad railway. Jerablus became a border town with Turkey based on the Treaty of Lausanne in the aftermath of World War I. Following the outbreak of the Syrian civil war, the Syrian opposition took it over along with its border post with Turkey on July 20, 2012. However, since early July 2013, the town has been controlled by the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant. By January 2014, rebels were engaging in clashes with ISIL and seized the town, but ISIL was able to recapture it within hours. An article published by The Guardian said that attempts by the Kurdish YPG to seize Jerablus were prevented by President Erdogan, who, according to media reports, had threatened in 2015 to attack the YPG using Turkish armed forces if they moved against Jerablus. This threat secured ISIL control of the town. Operation Euphrates Shield on August 24, 2016 around 4 a.m. Turkey, Ankara-backed rebels and Turkish land forces launched an operation to take Jerablus from ISIL. The operation is being supported by the Turkish Air Force along with US-led coalition aircraft in an attempt to clear a passage for the troops. As of the 24th of August, Jerablus and many neighboring towns has been claimed by the Free Syrian Army. The FSA, backed by Turkish tanks, is attempting to connect Jerablus to Al-Ray to push ISIL forces away from the Turkish border. Climate. Jerablus has a hot summer Mediterranean climate, with influences of a continental climate during winter, hot dry summers, and cool wet and occasionally snowy winters. The average high temperature in January is 7.8 degrees Celsius and the average high temperature in August is 38.1 degrees Celsius. The snow falls usually in January, February or December.